Will you all able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
What is constructor? Can anyone tell me? What is constructor in C#.NET?
Is a
Can
type
anyone
of
tell me?
method. It will automatically execute when object is created.
It is a
Type of method and it will be automatically executed when object is created.
okay. Hold on a second. Somebody is messaging. It is a type of method.
It will be automatically executed when object is created.
Okay. So, can I say constructor is a member method of a class? Member method of a class. You all agree with this? It is part of a class. That is why I am saying constructor is a member method of a class. When this constructor will be executed, can anyone tell me? We discussed this. The constructor, before that, constructor name always be a same as class name. Constructor name always be a class name. Okay. So whenever you are creating a class, a constructor will be executed. At the same time, constructor name always be a class name. Is it correct? Is it correct, Afam?
Yes.
I want everybody's answer.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Let's say an example of program, Visual Studio. Continue without code. Go to file. I say create a new project. Next, sample constructor example. Okay. Now the source code will be created here. Click next. See, classes program is created. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, now here I have a class name called public. Always you should have a public. Okay. And then what we have to do? Go to here, try to create a class saying that arithmetic. The class name what I'm giving? Arithmetic. Okay. So here, remove sort using. Let me see public. So how to create a constructor in C# is public arithmetic. Okay, as a function, you have to use like this. So this is nothing but a constructor. Understand, everybody?
Yeah, yes.
So now if you look into here, I say constructor name always be a class name. Now if you go here, when I say arithmetics, when I try to build, it throw an error. What is the error? Can anyone read this error?
Method not have a written type.
because it is not a constructor. This will consider as a method. When you change the name, it will be considered as a method. So go here. When you try to build it, say it is working or not. Say yes or no. Is it working or not? Abdul, Bhagya, Rushi, Chari, Shanmugam, Ubayat, Prasanna Kumar, Namrata.
It's
Everybody.
working.
It's working.
Is it working?
Yes.
Deepak Kumar
Yes,
Singh.
it's working.
Yes, sir, it's working.
Okay, fine. Now, here I'm trying to create an object. How to create an object? Can anyone tell me? Arithmetic equal to new of
Equal
arithmetic.
to new arithmetic.
When you click here, when you try to run it, you see when I run a program with the F11, see if I press F11, see it is coming an arithmetic class of a constructor. It is executing a constructor. Say yes or no. Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And
Yes, yes.
now you see here, still the arithmetic variable is null. The moment when I click, what will happen? A memory will be created for that arithmetic class. Understand?
Yes.
Everybody understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, here, arithmetic equal to new of arithmetic. Okay, so this is the line of statement. Okay, in this statement, step 1, there are 4 steps will happen. This statement has 4 steps. Step 1, create a or declare a variable of class arithmetic. Now tell me, in the above line, what is the variable we are declaring for a class arithmetic? In this line, what is the variable?
Arithmetic, the small.
Small arithmetic will be called it as a variable.
Variable.
Okay, after that, step 2, calling a constructor. Calling a constructor for preparing the data of the class. Preparing data of the class. I'll tell you how to prepare the data. Don't worry about it. Okay. For calling a constructor. So first I'm creating a class variable name, and then I'm calling this arithmetic constructor, and then my step 3 is new is a keyword trying to create a memory in the RAM for the corresponding class. Do you all agree?
Yes.
Everyone, do you all agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Arun Kumar Dharmavaram, do you agree with this point? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
Mahesh Babu.
Sir, I will agree.
Then
Yes.
step 4, after creating a memory, and that memory will be assigned to a variable arithmetic. Correct? Statement is correct.
Correct, sir.
All my statement is correct. So, in a single line statement of creating an object, how many steps are involved?
4 step.
4 steps. What is your first step? You are declaring a
Declared
variable.
variables. Yes, sir.
What is your second step? Your arithmetic constructor will be executed. What is your third step? After executing the arithmetic constructor, new keyword will try to create a memory for the class. Am I right? Am I right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
And then that created memory will be holded by a variable arithmetic. So how many steps are happening? 4 steps. So now you all understand why we are creating object for the class. You got the clarity? Chari, Abdul, Arun, Mahesh Babu. You all understand why we are creating memory for the class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come back. So whether my constructor is a member of a class or not. See, this is inside the class or outside the class, this constructor.
Inside.
Can I say it is a member method of a class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you all understand why do we need a constructor?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this constructor, I'm having a private variable. See here, I have a private variable, integer, set value, something like this. Okay. Now, at the time of calling an arithmetic, I'm going to say set value equal to 10. Okay. The set value of arithmetic is 10. Can I access this variable outside the class or within the class?
Inside a class.
Why?
Private.
Because it's private.
Private. There is another specification.
Private integer.
Private access specifier.
Access specifier.
It is an access specifier. See, anything you are accessing here, we are call it as a, see, arithmetic is a class which is a public. Okay, the variable set value is a private. Am I right?
Yes.
Variable set value is a private. So can I say the variable set value private access specifier because it cannot access outside the class.
Yes.
Got it?
Got
Now
it.
you see here, I'm right clicking, go to definition where it is coming. Which one it is highlighting? It is highlighting a constructor.
Yes.
Will it highlight a constructor or not?
Yes.
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 And I have one more question. Okay, I will complete this one. Now, what I'm trying to do, I'm declaring a method public add, sorry, integer add. I'm getting only first number from the variable. Can I return first number plus set value? Is it possible?
Yes, possible.
Because I'm already set the value. The same value I'm accessing in the method. Why? Because the variable which I declared outside the arithmetic and outside the constructor and outside the method, inside a class. You all agree?
Yeah.
See, I have a class arithmetic. This is my variable declaration. This is a variable declaration or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
This is your constructor. Am I right?
Yeah.
This is your method. Clear? Hello, Arun Kumar. What is that? Yes. Are you doing any recording?
No, sir.
Okay. So do you all understand? Set value, arithmetic constructor, and method. Clear, Arun? Prem Kumar?
Yes.
Prem Kumar.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So always a class contain variables, constructors, and methods. You take any class in .NET, you class anything in .NET, except these three things, nothing will be available. How many of you working in C# .NET as of now? How many of you working in C# .NET? Please. You guys tell me, if you take any class, do you have these three? Is there any other thing except properties? Do you have any other thing? All you are going to play around only these three types. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So whenever I have a class should have variables, constructors, and methods. It can be virtual method, it can be public method, it can be private method, it can be abstract method, it can be method declaration, whatever it may be. End of the day, except these three things in a class, is there any other thing after property? Nothing. Or you got my point? So, do you all clear with what is a class and what it contains? Everybody? Everyone?
Yes,
Did you all
Yes.
clear what is a class and what it contains?
Yeah, yes.
It always contains a variable, method, and constructor.
Constructor.
Now I'm coming here, I created an object. Now what I'm planning to do, console dot write line, enter the first number. So what I will do, I'm going to get a value from the user or not. Dynamically, we need to get the value from the user. For that, what we need to do? Int. You guys are not at all speaking. Everybody mute. Why you guys are muting? What is the problem? Unmute yourself. Arithmetic dot add, which is expecting a variable. I'm passing my first number. भैया हिंदी नहीं मालूम है. Okay, this is wrong. So what I need to do? Console dot read line. I'm getting value from the user. Is it correct?
Yes.
We
Will
have
it
to
work?
convert it.
We have to
Convert it by using convert class method.
convert dot to int 32. And then you have to assign it. Okay. And then what you need to do?
We can print the data.
Arithmetic. We need to make an operation. We need to call an operation. Right? Say yes or no.
Yeah.
See, you want to add this value from your constructor value, and then you print constructor console dot write line, say the sum of I can say 0, comma. So this method will executed and then it will be printed. And finally, what I want to do to see the display of data, console dot read line. Clear? Is the
Yeah,
program correct, or do you have any other thing?
Sir, why are we writing the sum of 0?
Can anyone tell me why I am using sum of 0?
It is just like a comment for better understanding of the result. In the 0, it will store the parameter we passed, like the sum of number.
Understand? Arun Kumar.
Yes.
See, what will happen is, whatever the variable or result you are getting from arithmetic.add number will directly assign that value to sum of 0. This is my 0th index. Understand?
Yeah.
This value, the resultant value, will store here. Okay?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Now run. Now come to here. It is going. See, right now, what is my value of set? What is
10.
my value of set?
10, sir.
10.
Now, what is my value of set?
10.
Now you see, the variable set value is holding by an object. Earlier, it is not holding anything, but the variable, whatever I have private variable, is holding an object of value 10. Am I right?
Yeah.
Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Come again, Bhagya.
Yes, sir. It's holding.
Now come back. You are getting a value from the user. I'm saying 20. Enter. This is the part of code which they are returning in the buffer. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll put a breakpoint here. Run. Now it got the value from the user. Now what you have to do? You have to call this add method. Now you see the add method is calling first number value which I passed is 20 is available or not? Available or not? Prem Kumar.
Yes, available.
And then the set value, whatever I assigned at the time of creating the object, is holding it or not? Before creating the object, in the constructor, I am assigning a value of 10. Am I right?
Yes.
That value is holded.
Yes.
Yes, it's hold.
Now I am adding these two. Oh, shit. Now you see sum of 30.
Yes.
Correct? Ajmal, Prasanna Kumar, Prem Kumar, everybody. You got
Yes.
the answer?
Yes, sir.
Tayyar.
Yes.
You understand or not? Do you have any other questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is how your program will execute. Now you all understand what is constructor? Why do we need a constructor? The actual functionality of constructor is what is the purpose? Now you tell me what is the purpose of constructor? It will make sure all the default values available, for the class before creating an object. Before creating an object. Do you all agree with this point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, this is my class. Okay. Before I create an object, I'm setting a value. Before I'm creating an object, memory of the class, I'm setting the value of set value or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that value will be used across the object is available. So that is the reason we are having constructor. Now, do you all understand what is a constructor and what is, if anybody asks you what is constructor, what is your answer? What is your answer? In interview, as a fresher or experienced, if somebody comes and asks you what is constructor, what is your answer?
It's a member method of a class.
Okay, first point. Second point, constructor name is always a class name. Am I right?
Yes.
It will make sure
Yes, sir.
all the default values available for the class before creating an object. Is these three statements will ensure that you all understand what is constructor? Say yes or no.
Yes.
So here default values in the sense set value equal to 10 or but that is not default.
This is the default value. You are setting at the time of before creating an object. This is the default value, right? Dynamically, you are setting a value and keeping that. This is your default value.
So we
So
can
this
call
set
this
value
constructor as default constructor.
No, this is not a constructor. This is a public constructor. I'll come there. Don't worry about it. Default
that-
constructor is something different. I will tell you. Right now, I'm going to teach you that. Don't worry.
Yeah, here from program class, can we access this set value directly through the object?
No, you can't because it is a private.
But we are reading the value of assigned that set value, right? Through
Where I am reading
methods.
in program.csql, I'm not at all reading the constructor value. Did I am reading any constructor value from here?
No, sir.
No, but that value through the method we are reading how that 10 is coming to add this 20.
See, this entire class is a local. This entire class is a local.
Yes.
Are you confirmed?
Which indirectly we are accessing.
Wait, not indirectly. Where this method is available?
Inside the class.
So the variable, local variable can access within the method.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yeah.
It is not a global variable or a public variable. It is a local variable. Local variable for class.
Not for the object.
Not for the object.
Okay.
If you create another object, it will hold another value. See, right now I am putting a static value. If you want to put a dynamic value based on the object, you can do that. But right now, it is a public constructor. Okay? Understand, Chari?
Yeah.
Now, sir, what is default constructor? Now, what are all the types of constructors available in C#.NET? Types of constructor in C#.NET. There are different types. The first type is default constructor. Second type is public constructor. Okay. Third one is parameterized constructor. Fourth one is copy constructor.
Dipselo.
Fifth one is private constructor. Sixth one is static constructor. How many types we have?
Six.
How many types of constructor we have?
Six.
Six.
6 types. What are all those?
Default
Default,
constructor,
public, parameterized, copy,
private,
private, and static constructor. I got my point. So do you all learned about what is public constructor?
Yes, sir.
Just now we discussed the type of public constructor. Understand? Now I'm going to talk about default constructor. See, I'm creating another class. saying that employee. Okay. Now I'm trying to create object for this class. I'm creating a class object, public class object. Okay. Now in the program here, I'm trying to create an object of employee equal to, sorry, employee equal to new of employee. Okay. Am I creating a constructor for this employee? Now go to definition. It is going and denoting the class. But how come this is a constructor? It is not a constructor, right? Are you created a constructor?
Not
Did you
yet.
created a constructor?
No.
No, right? But still the value is available, right? When you build it, it will work. How do I prove that this employee class as a constructor? Very simple. Go here. Go to here. Download MSIL. MSIL download for Windows. Okay. Hey, not mailman. MSIL. There is an MSIL. I will download. See, you download this. I will show you. Permitted, right? It was not there, so I have to download this page. Internet connection is unstable. What happened, man? Now go here. Just install. Arun, please Arun. Either you come away or mute. Okay, no assembly has been opened. This is my disassembler. Okay. What you will do, you click on open exe. Now go back to the project program which we created. What is the program we created? In which location we created the program? See, to understand this program, go to solution, right click. You see open in file explorer command. Everybody, are you able to see a open in file explorer?
Yes, sir.
When you click, you will understand where the program is available. Now what you need to do, you copy this, go back here, paste, open. Now you got the bin, click, debug, click, select this, open. Now in the assembly, you see here, I have an employee class. Say yes or no. You are having an employee class or not? How many classes we have? Arithmetic class we created, employee class we created, program class we created. Now go to the employee class. You see there is a .ctor. You see a .ctor.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are we seeing .ctor of the employee in your code? In the code, you are seeing a constructor.
No.
But here, when I compile the program, the MSIL language will automatically create a constructor for you or not?
Yes.
Is this a default constructor or user defined constructor? Are you creating any
Default.
constructor
By
within the
default.
class? No. It is a default
Default.
constructor. Now go to the arithmetic. You see there is a constructor
Yes.
Yes.
and you are having a set value and you are having a method. When you double click on this, you see this constructor has a code. What it is having a code? See, it is setting a value. Are you able to see this? The one which I highlighted.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now go back to the file. Here, when you click on this constructor, it doesn't have any return type or any value. But if you go to the employee arithmetic, I got a constructor with a lot of code. Whatever the code I written in that constructor, what it is happening, it is creating a memory with a variable of integer and that variable holding a set value. Understand? This is my value variable and this is the 10 is my value. Understand?
Yes.
But you don't need to worry about it. Just for your understanding, if you are new to the .NET, you can able to see the code like this also. Main point of having this shown to you is because I can prove you there is a default constructor.
Okay, but what is the sir dot CTOR colon void?
This is a constructor. This class automatically generated as .CTOR. .CTOR. See, if I want to create a constructor, I simply use CTOR tab. Constructor is created.
Yes.
So that is the shortcut you have to create a constructor.
Okay.
When you build the program, this code will convert into MSIL code. I explained right in my second class.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Whatever the C#
Yes.
code will automatically convert into which type?
MSIL.
MSIL. Am I right or wrong? So the same way, when you are using an employee class, this employee class will convert into what code?
MSIL.
MSIL code. So
Yes,
Yes,
this is
sir.
the MSIL code. What code? This is your MSIL code. It automatically taken care. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
The
I'm
MSIL is
already working in a Purila. I'm already working as a .NET in Software Training Institute, sir. Just want to prove my knowledge. Arun, where is he? What is this, Arun? Arun
Sir, it's a
Kumar.
typo mistake. I just want to tell you, like I was working as a .NET trainer
Where?
in a software institute, sir.
Name?
It's Palle Technologies.
Come again?
Palle Technologies,
Where is it?
Bangalore.
Okay. Why you put this?
No, I just want to know what I can learn here. So I thought it is demo class.
Okay.
But you started directly this class and all.
Who said demo? Did I told you demo?
No. I just first I saw in Instagram.
Mm-hmm.
So I messaged you in WhatsApp through that Instagram link.
1 second.
Later I got some link, this link.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it is a demo class. I didn't check whether it is normal class or demo class. I just I thought I can see what and all I can learn here.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So what I can learn here, I just want to know because I already have basic, not basic, like some knowledge I have.
One second. Let me finish. Keep in that. Let me
Yeah, okay.
stop the recording. Just
Okay.
be online.
Okay.
Okay. So you all understand, ma? What is the default constructor and everything?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Let's wait. I'm unmuting. Let's talk to Arun.